Welcome to TSS Automotive, your trusted source for the latest automotive news, reviews, and insights. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most anticipated touring motorcycles of the year, the 2025 Honda Goldwing. Known globally for setting benchmarks in comfort, performance, and technology in the touring motorcycle category, the Honda Goldwing continues to evolve, and the 2025 model proves once again why it stands at the top. The 2025 Honda Goldwing arrives with subtle yet meaningful upgrades that enhance both its ride quality and touring capabilities. While maintaining its iconic silhouette, Honda has made refinements to the aerodynamics, providing better wind protection and improved airflow management around the rider and passenger. This makes long-distance rides even more comfortable, especially at highway speeds. The bodywork remains sleek and elegant, with new color options for 2025 that include deep metallic shades and a few bold, modern finishes to attract both traditional and younger riders. Under the hood, the 2025 Goldwing continues with its legendary 1.833cc flat-six engine, but with fine-tuning for even smoother power delivery and enhanced efficiency. The engine now offers slightly more torque in the mid-range, making it even easier to overtake traffic or climb steep mountain roads without feeling strained. Honda has also optimized the fuel mapping to deliver better mileage, an important consideration for long touring adventures where fuel stops can be few and far between. One of the most praised aspects of the Goldwing is its innovative technology, and 2025 is no exception. The motorcycle is now equipped with an updated infotainment system, featuring a larger, higher-resolution touchscreen with improved responsiveness. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility come standard, allowing seamless smartphone integration. New for 2025, Honda has also introduced a wireless smartphone connection option, eliminating the need for cables while keeping navigation and media controls easily accessible. The comfort for both rider and passenger has been enhanced with redesigned seating materials, offering better support for extended hours on the road. The passenger seat has been slightly raised for a better view over the rider's shoulders, enhancing the touring experience for both. Heated seats and grips, electronically adjustable suspension, and a customizable riding mode system continue to ensure that the Goldwing offers a truly luxurious ride, no matter the conditions. Honda has also paid attention to storage. The rear trunk and saddlebags now offer more volume, accommodating an additional full-face helmet along with other travel essentials. The hands-free smart key system remains, making it easy to access storage compartments without fumbling with keys. Safety has not been overlooked either. The 2025 Goldwing comes standard with the Honda Selectable Torque Control System, advanced ABS, and the unique dual-clutch transmission option for those who prefer an automatic riding experience without sacrificing control. Another exciting update for 2025 is the improved audio system. Honda has worked on the speaker design and amplifier quality, ensuring richer sound with less distortion, even at higher speeds. Whether you enjoy listening to music, podcasts, or audiobooks while you ride, the Goldwing delivers a high-end audio experience that rivals many luxury cars. When it comes to the riding experience itself, Honda has refined the suspension system for 2025, introducing updated settings for both the front and rear to better absorb bumps and maintain a planted feel during aggressive cornering. This refinement gives the 2025 Goldwing a more confident and agile feel while preserving the trademark plushness that long-distance riders love. Honda has always been a pioneer in motorcycle safety, and the 2025 Goldwing introduces even more rider assist technologies. The bike is now available with an enhanced adaptive cruise control system, a rare feature in the motorcycle world, allowing the bike to maintain a set distance from vehicles ahead automatically. It also features a collision mitigation braking system and lane keep assist alerts, enhancing rider awareness and helping prevent accidents. In terms of pricing, Honda has kept the 2025 Goldwing competitively priced considering the technology, performance, and luxury it offers. There are several trims available, including the standard model, the Goldwing Tour, and the Goldwing Tour Airbag model. Each version caters to different rider preferences, whether you prioritize sporty handling, maximum comfort, or ultimate safety features. Overall, the 2025 Honda Goldwing reaffirms its reputation as the king of touring motorcycles. Honda's commitment to continuous improvement shines through every element of this latest model, offering a perfect balance of performance, luxury, technology, and reliability. For anyone serious about long-distance touring, few motorcycles come close to what the Goldwing delivers. Whether you are embarking on a cross-country journey or enjoying a weekend getaway, the 2025 Goldwing ensures you arrive in comfort, style, and with a smile on your face. Thank you for tuning into TSS Automotive. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews, comparisons, and updates from the world of automotive excellence. Ride safe and stay tuned for more exciting content.